Hello, welcome again. We are covering Geography of Class 9 from NCERT book under heading Contemporary India 1 for Civil Services Pre and CDS exam. We are covering chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. And in this chapter, the next topic is Forest and Ecosystem. So, the point wise details of the forests of India is first point is the forests are renewable resources and play a major role in enhancing the quality of environment. They modify local climate, control soil erosion, regulate stream flow, support a variety of industries, provide livelihood for many communities and offer panoramic and scenic view for recreation. Next point is it controls wind force and temperature and causes rainfall. It provides humus to soil and shelter to wildlife. Next point is India's natural vegetation has undergone many changes due to several factors such as the growing demand of land for cultivated land, development of industries and mining, urbanization and overgrazing of pastures. Next point is the vegetation cover of India is the large part in large part is no more natural in real terms. They are artificial. The vegetation cover of India is in large part is no more natural in real sense, except in some inaccessible regions like the Himalayas, the hilly regions of central India and the Marusthalis. The vegetation of most of the areas has been modified at same places or replaced or degraded by human occupancy. Next point is Mizoram has the highest percentage of forest cover in India with 84.53% of its geographical area covered by forest according to India State of Forest Report 2021. So Mizoram has the highest percentage of forest cover, that is 84.5% in India among states. Lakshadweep has the highest forest cover as a percentage of total geographical area with 91.33%, but it is an island territory, not a state, or we can say it is UT, Union Territory. Next point is the Union Territory with the lowest percentage of forest cover in India is Ladakh, with only 1.35% of its geographical area covered by forest, followed by Chandigarh with 1.76% forest cover. Next point is the lowest forest cover among the states. Haryana has the lowest forest cover among all states in India. Specifically, Haryana's forest cover is only 3.59% of its total geographical area due to extensive agricultural practices and rapid urbanization in the state. So Haryana has the lowest among states, and Ladakh has the lowest among UTs. Lakshadweep and Mizoram are the highest are having the highest cover of highest forest cover among UT and states. Okay. So now this is about this is the common this is the important point about the forest. These are the Mizoram with Mizoram has the highest forest cover. Lakshadweep has the highest forest cover among UT. Ladakh has the lowest forest cover. Haryana among UTs, and Haryana has the lowest forest cover among states. So these are the important about points. The next topic is your ecosystem based on this forest, and the point, the main point under this topic is plants occur in distinct groups of community in areas having similar climate conditions. The nature of the plants in an area to a large extent determines the animal life in that area. So plants plus this animal life, because they are dependent on each other, so they form a form an ecosystem. Next point is the when vegetation is altered, animal life also changes. All the plants and animals in an area are interdependent and interrelated to each other in their physical environment, thus forming an ecosystem. Next point is human beings are also integral part of the ecosystem. How do human beings influence the ecology of a region? They utilize the vegetation and wildlife. The greed of human beings leads to overutilization of these resources. They cut the trees and kill the animals, creating ecological imbalance. As a result, some of the plants and animals have reached at the verge of extinction. Next point is a very large ecosystem on land having distinct types of vegetation and animal life is called biome. So this is the definition of biome. Very large ecosystem having distinct types of vegetation and animal life is called biome. So biomes are identified on the basis of plants. Because animals are dependent on the plants, so these are the dependent on. So biomes are identified by the on the basis of plants.